And the second question would be about the beating of the grave, if it is literal or figurative or both or mixed.
No, it's a literal. That's what it literal. Yes. That's what it was going to do. A person died, kibbut hakever, and they're standing up. And if you see the movie, they hear the sound in the beginning of the movie and the end of the movie. There's short clips. They hear the sound that coming from the hole. Somebody screaming there.
Maybe there is some occasion when it's only that the person is feeling that beating, but outside, from outside, it's like he or she is dead.
Right. No, I mean I don't think that you can always hear from outside. Most of the time you cannot hear from outside, right? But it's going on in there.
Because for sure, I know for sure the person perceives that, but my doubt was if sometimes it was only the person perceiving that beating, and from outside was happening, nothing happening from outside.
Yes. I mean, the outside world should not hear that. You understand? I mean, that's or sometimes. So sometimes I'll tell you like this. That the question is asked why HaShem created blind people, right? A child is being born, chas v'shalom, right? And he's blind. Well, what did he do? So one of the explanation is that so all of us be appreciative of the sight that we can see. You understand? And we see the difference. So in order to get his point across, so Hashem does not have to like make every second or every third child is blind. One in whatever in 100 or 200 or 10,000 is enough for us to get a point that it's don't take it for granted. So same here. If all of these people who have been buried, they scream and yell, and we will hear the screams, everybody will go crazy. I said that's too much. So, but from time to time, there is some things that are more audible, so you can hear. I mean, they making the video on cell phone, I think, and you can hear the sounds. Understand?